The following Paramount Plus subscription terms can be found on the Paramount website at viacomcbs.legal/us/en/p+/sub-terms. There will be a link below in the video's description. Paramount Plus subscription terms. Effective date: January 10th, 2024. Welcome to the Paramount Plus service, provided by CBS Interactive Incorporated, we, us, our, Paramount Streaming US. The Paramount Plus service includes the Paramount Plus website, applications, and/or other methods for accessing the service through various platforms and devices, as well as the content available therein. These subscription terms, along with the terms of use available at pplus.legal/TOU, govern your use of Paramount Plus service, collectively, the Paramount Plus terms. These Paramount Plus subscription terms are effective as of the effective date above, and the other terms of use referenced above are effective as of the effective date provided within that document. We may change the Paramount Plus terms, including these Paramount Plus subscription terms, in the future, so we encourage you to review periodically the Paramount Plus terms. If you do not agree to the Paramount Plus terms, or any updates or changes to the Paramount Plus terms, then you must cancel your subscription and discontinue your use of the Paramount Plus service. Paramount Plus account information. You can access and edit specific details regarding your subscription to the Paramount Plus service, including information concerning your credit card or other available payment method, by visiting paramountplus.com/account. Note, if you obtained your subscription to the Paramount Plus service through a third-party distributor that maintains your subscriber account, access to and editing of specific details regarding your subscription are subject to the third-party distributor's terms as further described herein. Age limitations. You must be 18 years of age to subscribe to the Paramount Plus service. Persons under 18 may access the Paramount Plus service only under the supervision of a parent or legal guardian and through the parent or legal guardian's account. You acknowledge that by using the Paramount Plus service, you may be exposed to content that you find objectionable, and it is your sole responsibility to determine whether the content in the Paramount Plus service is suitable for you. Some content may not be suitable for children or people under the age of 18. Supported devices. To see if Paramount Plus is available for your device, please visit paramountplus.com/devices. Payment and fees. Your subscription to the Paramount Plus service automatically renews until canceled. When you subscribe to the Paramount Plus service and provide a payment method, you authorize us to charge your payment method the subscription fee, along with any other taxes or transaction fees which may apply to your use of the Paramount Plus service. Your payment method will automatically be charged at the start of your subscription or following any applicable promotional period as described below, and on an ongoing basis the day immediately following the end of prior subscription billing period unless you cancel your subscription, or the Paramount Plus service is suspended or terminated. The monthly subscription billing period is 30 days from the date your payment method is charged. The amount charged to your payment method may vary from billing period to billing period due to changes in your subscription plan or applicable taxes or transaction fees. We reserve the right to change the subscription fee for the Paramount Plus service at any time following notice to you, either through the Paramount Plus service or by sending an email to the address you have registered for your account. If you do not wish to accept a change to the subscription fee, you may cancel your subscription as described below. If there are any discrepancies in billing, you hereby waive your right to dispute such discrepancies if you do not notify Paramount Streaming US within 60 days after they first appear on an account statement. You are responsible for all Internet access charges. Please check with your Internet provider for information on possible Internet data usage charges. No refunds. All fees are non-refundable. As described further below, even if you cancel your subscription to the Paramount Plus service before the end of your active subscription period, as applicable, you will not receive a refund for any portion of the fees for the remainder of that subscription period. In rare circumstances, we may provide a credit, refund, discount, or other consideration to some or all of our subscribers' credits. The amount and form of such credits, and the decision to provide them, are at our sole discretion. The provision of credits in one instance does not entitle you to credits in the future for similar instances, nor does it obligate us to provide credits in the future under any circumstance. Cancellation. You can cancel your subscription to Paramount Plus at any time through your account settings at paramountplus.com/account and clicking Cancel Subscription. Note, if you obtained your subscription to the Paramount Plus service through a third-party distributor, you must follow the instructions for cancellation provided by such third party. If you cancel your subscription, the cancellation will go into effect at the end of your current subscription period. You will have continued access to the Paramount Plus service for the remainder of your paid subscription period, but you will not receive a refund of any fees paid. You must cancel your subscription before it renews to avoid paying the subscription fees for the next subscription period. For annual subscriptions, Paramount Streaming US will notify you at least 30 days in advance of the date that your annual subscription will automatically renew. You acknowledge and agree that, to the extent not prohibited by applicable law, cancellation of your subscription is your sole recourse if you have any dissatisfaction, issue, or concern related to the Paramount Plus service, its content or features, including fees, applicable taxes, or billing methods, the selection of content available to you through the Paramount Plus service, the terms, or any changes thereto, or any other policies or practices that apply to the Paramount Plus service. Unpaid amounts. We will attempt to process payment using your payment method for the next subscription period. Such payments are not for a past due debt. If your payment method is declined and we are unable to process your payment for your next subscription period, 1. You authorize Paramount Streaming US to continue charging your payment method, as your payment method information may be updated as described in the Paramount Plus account information section. And 2. We may suspend or terminate your subscription. Changing your payment method information may affect the day of your subscription renewal. Promotional offers. Promo codes. From time to time, promotional codes may be available, including those provided as part of a third-party promotion. Promotional codes may be redeemed as described in the specifics of the promotion. Promotional codes can only be used once, cannot be redeemed for cash, and may not be combined with other offers, subject to certain restrictions as determined by Paramount Streaming US in its sole discretion. If you received a promotional code through an offer by a third party, additional conditions may apply. Promotional periods. We may provide promotional offers that include access to the Paramount Plus service without charge or at a reduced cost for a limited period of time. Promotional periods. To new users and certain former subscribers at its sole discretion, but is under no obligation to do so, and promotional periods may not be available at all times. If Paramount Streaming US provides you with a promotional offer, you must provide valid payment method information to Paramount Streaming US in order to use Paramount Plus during the promotional period. Paramount Streaming US will not charge you in connection with the promotional period. Paramount Streaming US may place a temporary charge in a nominal amount on your payment method to ensure the validity of the payment method, but the temporary charge will be removed promptly. If you do not cancel Paramount Plus by the last day of your promotional period, you authorize Paramount Streaming US to begin your paying subscription and automatically charge your payment method for your first paying monthly or annual subscription period, as applicable, at the end of your promotional period. If your promotional period is 7 days or less, we will notify you of the date the promotional period ends in the acknowledgement email notice you receive after sign-up. For promotional periods greater than 7 days, we will notify you of the date the promotional period ends in both the acknowledgement email notice you receive after sign-up and at least 7 days in advance of the date the promotional period ends. If you wish to avoid charges to your payment method, you must cancel before the promotional period ends. You may only have one promotional period before you must begin paying for the Paramount Plus service. If you exceed this limit, we may charge your payment method for any promotional period after the first, or suspend your use of the Paramount Plus service at our sole discretion. Eligibility. We reserve the right, in its absolute discretion, to determine your eligibility for any promotional offers. The specific terms of the applicable promotional offer will be stated in the marketing material describing the particular promotional offer. Maximum streams. You may only use a maximum of 3 simultaneous streams, measured across all content available on the Paramount Plus service, at any time regardless of the number of devices that we permit you to access the Paramount Plus service with. We may change the maximum number of simultaneous streams that you may use at any time in our sole discretion. Temporary download and offline viewing. Some content in the Paramount Plus service is available for temporary download and offline viewing on certain supported devices, offline titles, with certain subscription plans. Limitations apply. including restrictions on the number of offline titles per account, the maximum number of devices that can contain offline titles, the time period within which you will need to begin viewing offline titles, and how long the offline titles will remain accessible. Offline titles are not playable outside the covered territory. Territory restrictions. These Paramount Plus terms apply only to subscriptions purchased in the United States, the covered territory, by subscribers who are physically residing in the covered territory at start of their subscription. You may only use the Paramount Plus service in your covered territory for your own personal, non-commercial purposes. Certain features and content may only be available to users in certain locations, during certain periods, and on certain devices, and the availability of certain features and content may change over time. The Paramount Plus service may not be available in every country or territory within the covered territory. Please check help.paramountplus.com for more information about current limitations. Any geographic restrictions will be based on your subscription's covered territory and the geographic location where you are attempting to access the Paramount Plus service from. We use your billing information and other technologies and methods to determine your location, which we may share with third-party vendors for this purpose. You acknowledge and agree that if we are unable to determine your location, we will not be able to provide you with access to certain features or content within the Paramount Plus service. We will not be liable to you for any blackouts, location-based limitations, device-based limitations, content viewing windows, availability of content, or other restrictions or limitations in connection with the Paramount Plus service. Quality of service. The quality of the display of the streaming content may vary from device to device and may be affected by a variety of factors, including your location and the speed of your internet connection. Certain content provided via live feeds, for example, Big Brother, are subject to a brief delay and may be edited or paused on occasion. The time it takes to begin watching content will also vary based on a number of factors, including your location, available bandwidth at the time, and the configuration of your device. Paramount Streaming US makes no representations or warranties about the quality of your watching experience on your device. Updates and changes to the service. Paramount Streaming US reserves the right to test and/or implement updates and changes to the Paramount Plus service, including but not limited to its features, plans, promotions, and pricing, with some or all of our users at any time. If any such updates or changes include additional terms or conditions, they will be provided prior to making such change or update available to you and shall govern your use of such updates or changes if you choose to participate in the test or otherwise use the Paramount Plus service with such updates or changes. Paramount Plus service-related communications. We may send you information relating to your account and the Paramount Plus service, including information about content available through the Paramount Plus service in electronic form only, for example, via email to the email address you provided during registration in connection with providing you the Paramount Plus service. These service-related communications are not marketing communications, and you will still receive these service-related communications even if you have unsubscribed or opted out of receiving marketing communications. If you do not want to receive these types of emails, you may cancel Paramount Plus at any time as provided in the cancellation section. You further agree that any such communications sent in electronic form will satisfy any legal notice requirements, including a requirement that any such notice be made in writing. Subscriptions obtained through third parties. If you subscribe to the Paramount Plus service through a third-party distributor or service, you will be billed by that third party in accordance with the third party's billing and subscription terms. The Paramount Plus terms related to the purchasing of a subscription, billing, cancellation, and refunds shall not apply to subscriptions purchased through a third party. Third-party provided subscriptions, applications, websites, and services are subject to the terms and conditions provided by such third party. Paramount Streaming US is not responsible for products and services provided by such third party. To cancel a subscription purchased through a third party, you must follow the cancellation instructions provided by such third party. This has been a reading of the Paramount Plus subscription terms, effective date, January 10th, 2024. A link to the full text can be found in the video's description. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.